A true leader is someone who fights for the people, who stood by the people, who acted for the people.
Real political leadership in life. But since Sir Michael was a model, I prayed and God said, follow this man anyway. I followed him until he retired. Following a leader in life, it's a life of sacrifice. I sacrificed my family. Old man calling me steel man, pamuk man, kind, but I never leave my faith and my relationship with God. Huh? Old man talking me steel man, or family lo me, or brother lo me yet. That's all. Body calling man, me pen in Islam man. Samakel, emi no man blo Pauli Mary, emi no man blo one blo Mary. Emi no steel man. Today he lived almost 49, 50 years. Today me looking over a Yaguru Sausela Roll original seat. You never fought the fight that I fought. You can come and tell me anything you want to tell me. Richard Maru and Check Yafai can tell me anything, rubbish me. But you, I made you with my hands. I made you with my sacrifice. For becoming a slave to a Murik leader by carrying his basket. The place where it was nature to war, nature wara.
Kakak.
Old commandantes.